2019 Range Rover plug-in hybrid first drive. No manufacturer to date has been able to deliver a hybrid 4WD vehicle capable of driving off-road trails in low range solely on electricity until now. The Range Rover and Range Rover Sport P400e plug-in hybrid, PHEV, will be the first, when they hit our shores in the summer of 2018. Thanks to crisply designed and luxurious products, Rover sales in the US have been trending up. Last year the company sold more than 65,000 vehicles. And that, of course, speaks to Americans' rabid desire for SUVs. The most recent November 2017 sales figures show the brand has gained 20% over last year. Looking forward, we are confident we are going to wrap up 2017 with another record growth year, said Joe Eberhardt, President and CEO, Jaguar Land Rover North America, LLC. Land Rover hasn't announced how many of the PHEV Range Rovers it plans to sell. But it's likely the new hybrid models will only add incrementally to the total sales picture next year. Regardless of volume, these machines are exceptionally important to Land Rover. They are the crucial first steps towards the brand's eventual electrification. And they are certainly steps in the right direction. When we designed the aluminum architecture for Range Rover and Range Rover Sport, we knew we wanted to electrify it, says Land Rover Vehicle Engineering Senior Manager Linful Owen. It was also very important, from a complexity point of view, to maintain the suspension articulation and all the off-road performance. To accomplish that goal, Owen's team turned to powertrain supplier ZF for an essential component. The P400e uses a ZF gearbox that packages 8 speeds, an 85 kW electric motor and dual clutches inside an automatic transmission case. That allowed engineers to bolt the same 4WD transfer case it uses on the conventionally powered Range Rover to the back of the transmission without re-engineering any chassis components. Under the hood of the P400e is Land Rover's new Ingenium 2.0-liter 4-cylinder in that engine's most potent form, delivering 296 HP and 295 lb-ft of torque. Land Rover says the combined output of the powertrain is 398 HP, hence the 400e nameplate. 4-cylinder turbocharged engines are excellent at delivering refined performance at low speed. And you get the benefits of turbocharging when you work that engine harder too, says Owen. So, the gas 4-cylinder gives you that duality of performance. And that really complements a PHEV powertrain. Underneath the cargo area sits an aluminum-cased 13.1 kWh battery pack that Land Rover developed with Samsung. And to fit the pack, the cargo floor is raised by about 1.5 inches. There's a 7 kW onboard charger and the pack can be fully charged in just under 3 hours using quick charging. And because these Rovers are wide, the charge port is integrated into the grille instead of the side of the vehicle. The battery pack allows the P400e to drive up to 30 miles on pure electric power and cruise up to 85 miles per hour. That range is certainly competitive. But it's the blending, distribution and tuning of that gas and electric power that make it a Land Rover. Behind the shifter is an EV mode button that when pressed allows the Rover to drive solely on electric power. This function is available only in specific modes within the terrain response system: auto, comfort, mud and ruts and grass, gravel, snow.